Thanks for coming back, guys. I'm just gonna show how I made my lip gloss and the steps I take just to make it quick and easy and the perfect formula. So the first most important step is to wear gloves. People are gonna be putting this on their faces, so you want to be as clean as possible. My hair is tied back right now, sleeves rolled up. So let's get started. So first thing I have is the Versagel. It's basically gone almost, so I'm just going to use the last of it to film this video. And it's from TKB Gloss. It's TKB Gloss Base, and it's from TKB. I got the smallest amount, and I mean it's alright, so it's been doing pretty well. So that's the first thing. Then I have my oils. I have avocado oil, and then which is a yellow color. Then I have the jojoba oil, which is a clear color, and then I have my scents or my flavoring. And here I'm using the vanilla flavoring from Hobbyland. And then I bought a set of shimmers and mica powders for the pigment, and this one is just like a silver kind of white sparkling. Then I have clean bowl, and then I have the gloss tubes and stoppers. Then I have some mixing spoon and a syringe and a pipette that's taped to the syringe so it can actually fit into the gloss. So to begin, I'm just actually gonna take this out so then it goes much faster. So take it out like this, just pull it out. I'm gonna put it aside. Then we're just gonna start. And once I start pouring, I'm not gonna talk as much because it's like open and I'm not gonna speak on it. And yeah, so just enjoy watching me make lip gloss. Okay, let's start. So after I add the Versagel, I go ahead and add some avocado oil. Then I add the jojoba oil. And then you mix until your hand falls off. Yeah, just mix until you get the consistency you like. So I'm actually gonna add more oil after this. Now just add your pigment or glitter. You know how to get to me. You know what to say to make me wanna
get me to dance to your tune. All you gotta do is call me baby. Tell me know how to treat a lady. They seem so good to be true. Oh my God, you're so dangerous, dangerous with your love. So dangerous, dangerous with your love. So dangerous, dangerous with your love.
So just add oil until you get the consistency you like. Be careful not to add too much because then it'll become too watery and it won't be lip gloss anymore. I forgot to say that you need some sort of table cover, so I got my purple table cover. It's plastic from Dollar Tree for $1. You don't want the lip gloss and the oils to get on your table. I would add in the scent or the flavoring after this. Once you like the consistency and the color, just grab your syringe and use your spoon to scoop it into the syringe. So I forgot to add the vanilla. I don't know how, but hey, look at that learning lesson. You just, especially if you remember before you put in the tube, add a couple drops to the pipette. And as it's going in, it's gonna mix anyways, because right now it's not all the way even mixed. So when you put the other half in, it's all gonna mix. So I don't even know how I forgot, but I did. But yeah. Now you're ready to fill the tubes. It is a bit difficult to push, I guess, the other half of the syringe back in. So yeah, works out your arms. Now just put the stopper on and the cap on and take some dish soap, some decreasing dish soap to just clean the outside of it, and then put on your logo.
You know how to get to me. You know what to say to make me wanna come to you. You got the right melodies. You know what to play to get me to dance to your tune. All you gotta do is call me baby. Tell me
So I made this one for myself, so I'm going to go ahead and swatch it and use it and take a video to show you how it looks like on my lips. So the color I created is called Abena 2.0, and it's part of my $2 Gloss Up collection, and I'll leave the link to my website down below. Yay, you made it to the end. Thank you. So I actually have another video talking about my lip gloss business, just in case you want to learn how to start up your own makeup line. I will link the video in the description box. I'll be making many BossBabe videos just like this, so please subscribe and like, and just let me know what you'd like to see.